right, so Vince, now, is that gonna fit in there? We might have to still make that a bit smaller too. Let's see. Yeah, we're probably gonna have to, oh yeah, slam it down there. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna work. Or what you can do is just make this, what you had mentioned before, is cutting this a little bigger with the jigsaw. I mean, as long as it fits down in there, the blade on this, although is it gonna cut through it? We have this nail in the way. That's another problem. Yeah, this makes it a bit difficult here. I mean, if you think that you could, oh yeah, that's nice right there.
But I think we have to make somehow.
You want to try to
It's gonna be hard.
Slice it? I could brace it and you can slice it. I think we should try that instead. Want to try, buddy?
Let me see. Oh, hey. thinking this through.
Okay. Well, we'll let him think it through and then we'll share with you what happens, okay? On the flip side.